Hello dear students, welcome back to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School situated Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Student, in our last video we have to learn the story of chapter number 1, A New Baby. Student, we have to learn the story of a new baby, and now today's video we are going to solve the exercises of chapter number 1. So let's start the video. First of all, you all take out your New Gems English Reader book and open chapter number 1, which is A New Baby. Student, we have to learn the story of a new baby, and now we're going to solve the exercises. So here is the first exercise is pick the correct words. Student, we have to learn in the story that there is a little girl whose name was Pia. She welcoming her newborn little sister in her family. Okay students, and she explained all the activities of the new baby. So student, according to the chapter, we have to solve the given exercise. Exercise A, take the correct word. So student, there is a first, the little baby came home with. So there is a two option. Option number A is grandma and grandpa, and option number B is mama and papa. So tell me which one is correct. Do you know that? So there is option number B is correct. So we have to tick the option number B, and after that write on the given blanks. Okay, we have to write mama and papa. So student, tell me what the spelling of mama and papa. So the spelling of mama and papa is M-A-M-A mama, A-N-D and P-A-P-A papa, mama and papa. So now moving to the next. There is a second, they are dash to have Tina in the family. They are dash to have Tina in the family. So again there is two options. Option number A is happy, option number B is sad. So which one is correct? When the little baby come home, so the all family members are very happy. They are not sad. Here is the option number A is correct. They are happy. So we have to take the option number A, happy. And tell me what the spelling of happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Okay. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Now moving to the next, number third. There is Tina dash most of the time. Here is again two options. Option A and B. So tell me which one is correct. So Tina sleeps most of the time. Okay. So what the spelling of sleep? So S-L-E-E-P-S. Okay. Now the moving to the next exercise. After completing exercise A, we are going to solve the next exercise, which is exercise B. In exercise B, there is match the question with their answers. Okay. So student, here is the question answer. You have to match the correct answer with their question. Okay. There is a match the question with their answer. So there is a first, what does Tina do when? There is a first question, Didi clap. Okay, when Didi clap, that time what does Tina do? We have to match with the answer. Okay, so Didi claps, so Tina moves her hands. Here is the number one question is Didi clap, so we have to match with C, because when the Didi claps, that time Tina moves her hands. So there is a option number C is correct. So we have to match number 1 with C. Now moving to the next, second. So there is a second question is Didi brings a toy. So what does Tina do that time? So when Didi brings a toy, so that time Tina moves her legs. Here is the option number A. So we have to take the second with A. After that, third is Didi touches her cheek. When Didi touches her cheek, so what does Tina do? So that time Tina smiles. Okay, so we have to match with option number B. So like this we have to complete the matching work. Okay students, so you have to do this. After that, moving to the next, there is play with words. Exercise C. What will we do in exercise C? So label the people in Pia's family. Okay, so here is the hint for you. You have to choose the correct word, and after that write on the given blanks. One by one you have to label the people in Pia's family. Okay, so there is a first, you can see there is Pia. Okay, so what the spelling of Pia? P-I-Y-A, Pia. After that, tell me who is she. So She is Priya's mother. So we have to write mother. Student, tell me what the spelling of mother. So spelling of mother is M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. After that, who is he? So he is Priya's father. So we have to write father here. Okay, what the spelling of father? F-A-T-H-E-R, father. So first member is Priya, second is mother, third is father. After that, moving to the next, so there is a next stage. Who is he? So he is grandpa, Priya's grandpa. Okay, so we have to write grandpa here. What the spelling of grandpa? G-R-A-N-D, grand, P-A-Pa, grandpa. After that, who is she? She is Priya's grandma. So we have to write grandma. What the spelling of grandma? G-R-A-N-D, grand, M-A, ma, grandma. Okay, students. And now at the last there is baby. Okay, there is baby. So we have to write here the spelling of baby. What the spelling of baby? B-A-B-Y, baby. Okay, student. So like this you have to label the given peoples in Priya's family. Okay, so there is the first Priya, second is mother, after that father, grandpa, grandma and baby. So these all are the family members in Priya's family. Okay, now moving to the next, there is exercise D. In exercise D, what will we do? So fill in letters to make word that tell us about Tina. So there is a first, in number 1, what will we do? There is a N dash W, baby. So we have to fill here E. Okay, we have to fill the missing letter. So here we have to write E. So it will be new baby. After that, in second, there is little sister. We have to fill I and E. Okay, so first is new baby, second is little sister. After that, third is, so in number third we have to fill I. So it will be tiny, tiny hands. Okay, and in number 4 we have to fill M-A. Okay, so it becomes small, small legs. So these are the words tell us about Tina, that new baby, little sister, tiny hands and small legs. Okay, students, so now moving to the next, there is a grammar fun exercise E. In exercise E, join column A with column B to make sentences. So we have to match column A with column B, okay, to make a sentence. So in number 1 there is the baby. So we have to match the baby with sleeps a lot. Option D. Second, we are. So we have to match we are with option E. We are very happy to have her. Number 3, her name. So we have to match number 3 with A. Her name is Tina. Number 4, Papa puts Tina. So we have to match with B. In my lap. Number 5, I love my. So we have to match with option C. Little sister. Like this you have to complete the matching word. Okay, student, and you have to make a sentence. So now moving to the next, there is exercise H. So what will we do in exercise H? So student, here is a writing work for you. So there is exercise H, fill in the blanks with word from the box. So as you can see, there is a word given in the box. So you have to fill the given blanks with word from the box. So there is a first, I am a Rohan. In second, I have a little what? So here you have to fill sister. What the spelling of sister? S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Okay. Number 3, her dash is Rita. So her what is Rita? Her name is Rita. What the spelling of name? N-A-M-E, name. So we have to fill name here. Number 4, I like to dash with her. So I like to what with her? So I like to play with her. So we have to write play here. P-L-A-Y, play. Number 5, I dash her. So what will we fill here? So we have to write I love her. What the spelling of love? L-O-V-E, love. Okay. Number 6 is do you dash a brother or sister? So at last we have to fill have. H-A-V-E, have. Do you have a brother or sister? So like this you have to complete exercise H. So student, in number 1 there is sister. In number 1 there is I am Rohan. Second is I have a little sister. Third is her name is Rita. Fourth is I like to play with her. Number 5, I love her. Number 6, do you have a brother or sister? So like this you have to complete your exercises in your book. So I hope is that clear to you how to complete your book. Okay, students. So till then, take care. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.